All right, welcome back. Let's have a look around these models directory from the Ollama website. So the models library is under ollama.com/library. All these models are freely available, open source, very powerful with different versions. Each model has its own capabilities and has been trained on different kind of data sets. And we have lots of different models from Microsoft PHI 3, which is a very tiny language model that you can use to have a conversation even on IoT devices, which is quite powerful. And then there is larger version, which is the 14B version that you can download and use it on your local machine, of course. And then many more, like there is Mistral 7B model released by the Mistral AI team, the Gemma model, which is the one we used in the previous video from the Google DeepMind team. Then Mistral CodeGemma. CodeGemma is one of the models that it's trained to write code. I will assume it's lightweight. There is a 2B version, and this can perform a variety of coding tasks like filling the middle, code completion, code generation, natural language understanding, maths, reasoning, and instruction followings. So this is quite nice. How CodeGemma could be one of the models that you want to try. There are lots of more information about each of the models when they are released, different variants that the model and the team has released. Yeah, you can have a look around and pick the model that best suits your use case. You can even train these models on your own for your own use cases. So we used Gemma last time. We have also called Gemma. This one was quite intriguing because it's named Command R, and it's a large language model optimized for conversational interaction and long context tasks, and which is quite big. It's like 35 billion parameters, and this one is even bigger, is even larger. It's the Command R Plus, which more powerful from this one. I bet this to run these your machine might be very powerful. We will have a look, and I want to try this one. I have already installed this one. This should be able to understand also images, which is quite nice. I'm quite intrigued by this one, Command R Plus. I just want to see how long it takes to download and what it could do. We have a big context window, and then we have advanced retrieval, augmented generation, RAG in short, with citation to reduce hallucinations, multi-language coverage, 10 keys languages, tools used to automate sophisticated business processes. What does that mean? I mean, this should be very powerful. It's quite big as a model. One of the biggest, I think, on the Ollama website. This is the Llama one, which understands images. You can send an image from a local path, and then it's gonna like tell you what it is inside. Let me see if I have this one installed on this local machine. We can have a try very quickly. Nope, sorry. I forgot I was using my old computer, which is like much less powerful than this one, and the model takes ages to run. So let's keep looking around for now, and I will make another video where we test this lava, sorry, the lava. Sounds like llama, lava, right? So let's try to look more around. So I also want to try this one. I'm not sure on the other computer how this is going to run. And this is general purpose large language model from Databricks, QN. It's a series of large language model. This models should be like one very big tool because it's like 110 billion parameters. It's quite a lot of parameters for a large language model. I mean, I think this one is one of the biggest on the platform, not the other one, under 10, and Command I is under 4. And yeah, you can have a look around and try one of these models and see how it fits your use cases. And Vicuna, I think this one does chat assistant model, all right? So it has different variants, but shorter context, just 2000 tokens. All right. Yeah, just have a look and have a fun with them. I'll see you in the next video where we will try one of these one. Like maybe, oh, there is this one with vision, and it's quite small. We can try this one. This is probably one of the best options for small devices or for devices with not much power, like no GPUs and like old laptops. This could run well and even have a basic understanding of images. I won't expect these it's gonna like be the OpenAI model. The GPT-4 with vision is quite powerful as a model, and I think these models are not that capable, but we will have a look anyway. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Cheers. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and see you later.